So today we are going to learn about RAM. Do you know what is RAM?
Yes.
RAM is a component, is a computer component, it's a hardware device. Okay, it's a hardware device which give the full form of RAM is random access memory. While a program is running in processing, at that time memory is working first time. First function of work is RAM. So what he do? He give the access to CPU, control processing unit, to his brain as a we call processor. Later on we teach about the processor. Okay. So RAM function is to transport the data. Okay, to give the data function to proceeding, the wave, the speed of the data, function of the data to make computer faster, work fast. As well, we know one man need a helper in a house, right?
Yes.
At the moment, the computer also need a helper, such as RAM. In simple language, I say, he is a helper, but his function is to memorize. He gives the function to first function to the CPU that this is your data, please take. So what the CPU say, this processor say, oh, it's a multimedia program. So let's play the video. Supposed to be a multimedia program, will be a video program, right?
Yes.
At the moment you have done one presentation, word presentation. So at the moment while you do the word, first of all the RAM will say this is your program to CPU. Then CPU will say this is your data work. So data sheet, take to the worksheet. So it will go for the worksheet, document. It's called document. So it is goes for the document. Such as RAM is work for access, random access memory, right?
Yes.
What is the function of RAM? Please stand up. Rizwan. Random access memory. It is accessing the program.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So sit down.
Thank you, sir.
It's a accessing program to give the proceeding to processor that this is your program. What type of program? The processor will decide, not by the RAM. It is a his function is to memory only. What is ROM? You heard about RAM, but you never heard anything about ROM.
Yes, sir.
Read only
Memory.
memory. Read
Only
only
memory.
memory. So what the ROM function? ROM, every computer have their one ROM IC. It is a one chip. It's an IC that give the program to start. First of all, the RAM function will not work. This will not work. ROM will work. While computer you have to power on. Supposed to be you have given the start button.
Yes, sir.
Power on button. At the moment, first it need a ROM function. The ROM will support to the computer to start. After starting that IC, it's a one type of IC which having the computer program. It's a software program, BIOS program. The program will start the computer first. At the moment, which type of Windows you are using? Supposed to be